Welcome to Foil Packet Cooking 101. I'm Rick Griffin. Thank you for coming today. I'm going to show you how to make one of the most fun, simple meals you can do on a camp out. It's called foil packet cooking. Basically, all you need is a couple sheets of tin foil, a meat or vegetable, whatever you would like to fix in it, some sauces and seasonings. And that's it. It's really simple. The way you start this is have your parents or adults cut up your vegetables, whatever you like. I have here some potatoes, celery, onions, carrots, zucchini, broccoli, squash, and cherry tomatoes from my garden. Okay? Then you have your choice of seasoning, whatever you would like on it. I have some Mrs. Dash, I have Montreal chickens, really good on the chicken part. I have some sage. I have some cayenne pepper if you want a little bit of heat, celery salt, garlic, pepper, Old Bay seasoning, good on fish, dill weed's good on fish, paprika, I have some onion powder, then we have some vegetable seasoning, and then we have Montreal steak, which is good on the burgers or steaks, and then I have taco seasoning. Okay, the way to cook with packets, the secret to it is the food is cooked by steam. So in order to steam it, you have to have some type of liquid that will convert into steam. I have here, tried a true favorite for most kids, is ketchup. We have some barbecue sauce. We have steak sauce, really good on the steaks. We have some honey mustard. I have chicken broth, which is good for cooking your vegetables in. I have Italian seasoning. I have some honey mustard with stone ground. Ranch is always good for kids. My wife loves to use the yum sauce. Then I have some butter flavored seasoning to keep from sticking to the pan. So you start out with to spray your stuff down. I'm going to make some vegetable ones, just vegetables, no meat or anything. So start out by laying a few potatoes, some zucchini, some squash, some broccoli, onions, celery, some carrots, and a couple of little tomatoes from the garden. Then I'm going to put the vegetable seasonings, what I like on it. Sprinkle it on. And then I'm going to go with the Italian seasoning. On this one, just put the liquid, pour over it. Then you take your foil, put them together. Now the secret to this is you have to seal it. You want to keep the moisture in for it to steam. So you want to fold it and get a nice seal all the way around. There you go. Now I've already got one in the fire. I had the coals earlier in there on it. The one thing you do want to remember is when you're cooking the foil packets, remember which one is yours because it was made the way you want it. So you always want to make sure you keep up with which one was the right one. So I have a few that I have already cooked up to show you. You can make it with just about anything. Let me see. This one is my veggie one that I cooked for myself earlier. This foil pack is going to be looks like hamburger. That's the hamburger foil pack. This one is the tilapia fish. This one is the chicken that I use honey mustard to make it. And this one is the steak, made with steak sauce. You can use Conecuh sausage, you can use pork chops, you can use just about anything you want to make your meal. So, look it up, figure out what you want, try different ones, find out what is your favorite, and bon appetit.